Hi friends, welcome back to our channel SmartQuest 360. Today we're going to discuss about microscope. Microscope is an instrument which is used to see organisms that are not visible to naked eyes. It is used to determine the shape, size and the function of an organism. So let's discuss the definition of microscope. The term microscope can be split into two separate words, micro and scope. So micro means small or tiny and scope means view or to observe. Therefore, microscope means an instrument to observe tiny elements. So as we discussed the definition of microscope, let's discuss about different types of microscopes. There are mainly two types of microscopes, simple microscope and compound microscope. In ninth class you are going to discuss about only simple microscope. In higher classes we discuss about compound microscope. So let's discuss the definition of simple microscope. A simple microscope is one that uses a single lens for magnification, such as a magnifying glass, whereas a compound microscope uses several lenses to enhance the magnification of the object. As we discussed the definition of simple microscope, now let's discuss the instruments of simple microscope. Eyepiece. We will see a picture and discuss about it. Eyepiece. It is a type of lens that is attached to a variety of optical devices such as telescopes and microscopes. As you can see, this is the eyepiece through which we keep our eye and see the object and see the specimen. Nosepiece. The part of the microscope that holds the objective lenses is known as nosepiece. These are the objective lenses and this is the nosepiece which holds both the objective lenses. Objectives. It is usually a cylinder containing one or more lenses that are typically made of glasses. As you can see, this is a cylinder in shape and this has lenses through which we can magnify to see the specimen. Body. This is the body. The microscope body tube separates the objective and eyepiece and assures continuous alignment of the optics. As you can see, the body separates the objectives and the eyepiece. So we can see, we can move and zoom in and zoom out, so there is a it goes smoothly. Specimen stage. All microscopes do include a stage where the specimen is placed for observation. The specimen is placed here for the observation. Aperture diaphragm. On upright microscopes, the condenser is located beneath the stage and serves to gather wave fronts from the microscope. Here there is a condenser which gathers the wave fronts from the microscopes and makes the specimen visible. Light from the light source is made to pass through a thin object which is transparent to get an enlarged visual image. A biconvex lens is used. So to see the specimen, light falls on here and it is passed through a transparent thin object and it gives an enlarged visual image in the eyepiece base. This provides support to the microscope. So now let's discuss the parts of simple microscope. Friends, you may get confused about instruments and parts. Instruments are different and parts are different, so don't get confused. There are mainly two parts, mechanical parts and optical parts. You can see Mechanical parts include a metal stand. It has a heavy base. As we seen as we have seen here, it has a heavy base plate and vertical rod fitted to it, which provides support and stability to other parts of the microscope. It mostly holds the microscope together. Stage. It is a rectangular metal plate fitted to the vertical rod. It has a central hole for light to pass from below. As you can see here, it has a central hole for light to pass from below. And optical parts. They include a mirror, a plano-convex mirror. Plano-convex means it, it in simple terms it just means it is flat on one side and outward curved on the other. I think it is simple. It is fitted below the stage to the vertical rod by means of a frame. It focuses the surrounding light on the object to be observed. It means the light is converged to be visible. Lens. A biconvex lens is fitted above the stage to the vertical rod by means of a frame. It magnifies the size of the object and the enlarged visual image formed is observed by keeping the eye above it. It means the specimen is enlarged and it is enlarged visual image and is observed by the keeping the eye above it. As you can see, we see from the keeping the eye here. For proper focusing, the lens can be moved up and down by the frame. These are the lenses which can be moved up and down. So as we discussed the parts of the microscope, now let's discuss the applications of simple microscope. It is basically used in biology to study microscopic algae, fungi and biological specimens. As you know friends, when you go to watchmaker shop, you will use a microscope to see small parts of a watch because they are very tiny to see with naked eyes. Hence it is also used in jewelry shop to see the finer parts of jewelry to see if there is any damage to it and fix it. And it is used in details of stamp and engravings. It is used by dermatologists to find out various diseases of the skin. I hope you understand this video, and if you have any doubts, please comment down below. Please like, share and subscribe our channel SmartQuest 360.